Hey there, Auto Intel fans. Imagine a machine so powerful it can churn out a car every 5 seconds. Yeah, you heard that right. We're diving into the wild world of Tesla's Gigapress, the game-changer that's rewriting how cars are made. Today, we're unpacking the jaw-dropping 50,000-ton Gigapress, capable of producing 12 cars a minute. How does it do it? Is this the future of car manufacturing? Let's jump in and find out. Elon Musk isn't one to shy away from splashing cash on cutting-edge tech for Tesla's factories, but he's got one rule: it's gotta be worth it. And the Gigapress? It's the real deal, a beast that's helped make Tesla the powerhouse it is today. From the 6,000-ton and 9,000-ton models to the mind-blowing 50,000-ton version, this tech is transforming production lines. We'll explore how it all started, how it works, and why this massive machine is set to revolutionize Tesla's Cybercab and Model 2. Buckle up, because this story's a wild ride. The Gigapress story kicked off with a spark of inspiration. Picture Elon Musk holding a die-cast toy car at his desk, wondering, why can't we build real cars like this? That light bulb moment led to a bold idea: casting huge car parts, like the entire underbody of the Model Y, in one go. It'd cut weight, slash costs, and speed up assembly. At the time, Tesla was under pressure to ramp up Model Y production while keeping costs down. The Gigapress was the answer, promising to shave 20 to 40% off frame manufacturing costs. But here's the thing: no one in the auto industry had ever tried this before. Traditional car frames were made by stamping steel and welding hundreds of parts together, a slow and complex process. Musk reached out to 6 major die-casting manufacturers to pitch his crazy idea. 5 flat out said no, calling it impossible. Just when it seemed like a dead end, an Italian company called Idra stepped up. They weren't totally sold either, just gave a cautious maybe. For Musk, that was enough. Tesla teamed up with Idra for over a year, tweaking designs and pushing the limits. Idra's team was stretched to the max, constantly reworking the machine to meet Tesla's demands. But it paid off. The 6,000-ton Gigapress started casting Model Y rear chassis, followed by the 9,000-ton version for the Cybertruck. Now, Musk's got his sights on the 50,000-ton Gigapress for the Cybercab and Model 2, a machine that can cast multiple frames at once in just 5 seconds. Can you even wrap your head around a car rolling off the line that fast? It's unreal. So, what makes the 50,000-ton Gigapress such a beast? Let's clear up a common mix-up first: those 50,000 tons don't mean the machine's weight. That's the insane pressure it generates. Still, this thing is massive, potentially weighing over 3,000 tons, that's 6.6 million pounds. For comparison, the 6,000-ton Gigapress weighs about 430 tons, and the 9,000-ton version hits 688 tons. The 50,000-ton model? It's a whole other level, possibly tipping the scales at 8.16 million pounds. It's 131 feet long, 42 feet wide, and 39 feet tall. Imagine a 4-story building lying on its side. Tesla had to build a custom facility with a super deep concrete foundation just to hold this monster. Installing it could take months, and that's before it even starts cranking out parts. How does this giant actually work? It's all about precision under extreme pressure. Molten aluminum gets pumped into a mold, filling every tiny detail perfectly. If it's too fast, air bubbles mess things up. Too slow, and the aluminum cools before the mold's filled. A high-speed piston injects the metal, and a carefully controlled cooling system hardens it into a super strong part. After that, a robot pulls the part out, trims excess material, and sends it for quality checks. The Gigapress cuts out the need for welding dozens of smaller pieces, saving time, labor, and weight while boosting the car's strength. The process starts with melting aluminum ingots, mixed with recycled scraps, in a furnace at about 850 degrees Celsius. Impurities get skimmed off, and the molten metal flows through heated pipelines to a second furnace, kept between 750 degrees Celsius and 850 degrees Celsius. Nitrogen gas fills the furnace to prevent oxidation, and a mix of argon gas and filters cleans out tiny particles. The mold gets prepped with a thin layer of soybean oil, think of it like greasing a pan, so the part pops out easily. A vacuum sucks out air, and the molten aluminum gets injected at high speed. Once it's in, the part cools to about 400 degrees Celsius, gets dunked in a cooling bath to drop to 50 degrees Celsius, and the mold resets for the next cycle in just 1 to 2 minutes. Every part gets X-rayed to ensure it's flawless. The 50,000-ton Gigapress takes this to another level, casting 5 car bodies at once, which is why it can hit that crazy 12 cars/minute pace. Hey, if you're loving this deep dive into Tesla's game-changing tech, hit that subscribe button. We're pushing to reach 1,000 subscribers, and your support gets us closer to that goal. Stay with Auto Intel for more exciting updates on EVs and cutting-edge auto tech. Now, let's talk about why this matters. The 50,000-ton Gigapress isn't just bigger, it's a leap forward. It casts multiple frames in 5 seconds, compared to 70 seconds for earlier models. That speed, plus the ability to make complex parts in one piece, slashes production time and costs. Tesla's gone from needing 1,000 robots on the assembly line to just 300. It's like Musk said, this is less like traditional car making and more like churning out electronics, fast, streamlined, and space-efficient. The Cybercab and Model 2 will lean hard into this, with production so fast humans can't even get near the line safely. Musk compares it to making toy cars, just scaled up to a massive level. The mold for 5 Cybercab chassis is huge, and getting the metal to flow perfectly without defects is a massive challenge. Tesla's cracked it with a super-fast cooling system, a smart mold release setup, and AI-powered quality checks, tech no other carmaker has matched at this scale. Other companies are taking notice. General Motors, Hyundai, Volvo, Zeekr, and XPeng are jumping on the gigacasting bandwagon, with XPeng rocking a 16,000-ton machine. But Tesla's already way ahead with the 50,000-ton beast. The auto industry laughed at Musk's idea at first, saying aluminum molds would wear out too fast compared to steel stamping. But Tesla's proved them wrong, and now Ford, Toyota, GM, and Volkswagen are all investing in gigapresses. Producing 720 cars an hour is a game-changer, especially for the high-volume Model 2, which Musk says will outpace Model Y and Model 3 combined. Let's switch gears for a quick update on the autonomous driving scene. Waymo's hit a rough patch, pausing its Robotaxi service in parts of LA and San Francisco after protests against Trump's immigration policies turned violent. Some Waymo cabs got trashed, with one even set on fire, sending toxic smoke from lithium-ion batteries into the air. Each of those robot axes costs between $150,000 and $200,000, so the damage isn't cheap. Meanwhile, Tesla's Robotaxi is gearing up for a big reveal. A recent clip on X showed it cruising driverless in Austin, Texas, with a major event planned for today, June 12, 2025. Tesla's aiming for sky-high reliability, and we're stoked to see more customers testing it soon. On the sales front, the Tesla Model Y is killing it as China's top-selling SUV for May, with 24,770 units registered, edging out BYD's Song Plus and Geely's Jinggu L. From January to May, Tesla moved 126,643 Model Ys in China, beating BYD's Song Plus and Song Pro. Despite a 71% profit dip in Q1 and a 7.8% drop in year-over-year sales, the Model Y is holding strong as a premium SUV. Tesla's banking on a rebound in Q3 and Q4 with the new Model Y rolling out. Why should you care about all this? The 50,000-ton Gigapress isn't just about building cars faster, it's about reimagining the whole process. Tesla's Cybercab isn't just a car without a steering wheel, it's a new way of manufacturing, swapping assembly lines for networks, human workers for robots, and welded parts for pre-made modules. It's like stacking Lego bricks, as Musk puts it. This tech is setting Tesla miles ahead, and with competitors scrambling to catch up, it's clear Musk's vision is reshaping the industry. The Gigapress is why Tesla can crank out affordable, high-volume cars like the Model 2 while keeping quality sky-high. Thanks for sticking with us, Auto Intel crew. If you're as pumped about Tesla's innovations as we are, smash that like button and share this video. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers, so please hit subscribe and turn on notifications to catch all our latest deep dives into EVs and auto tech. Your support means the world, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content. See you in the next one.